So now guys, finally we can check our yogurt. So it was been sitting in my kitchen for overnight. So I'll show you the result. So please join with me. So now, ta-da, let's see. See, look at this guys. This is my homemade yogurt. As you can see. Good evening, and it's me again, Janice. Welcome to my channel. Have a very good Friday to everyone. And now it's already evening. My day is finished. So anyway, tonight I'm gonna make a homemade yogurt. So I'll show you on how I'll make my homemade yogurt. In this recipe, we'll be needing only two ingredients, which is first we will be needing 1 liter of milk. Either it is fresh milk or low fat, it will be your choice. And secondly, also we will be using 200 grams of yogurt. Either it is low fat or full cream. That will be again your choice. So first step that we have to do is to boil our milk. Okay, and after boiling, let's just sit aside until it become warm or lukewarm. Then after that, we can add our 200 grams of yogurt. Okay, and then stir it properly until it's well blend. Cover it and leave it overnight. Okay, so now let's get started. So now I am using this, okay, for the milk. So now we'll use this. Actually, this is only special for boiling the milk. I'm not using to anything for cooking for this. I have one cooking utensil just for the milk. So now we have to pour it in and let it boil. Let the milk boil first. See now, our milk is boiling. So we have to do like this, like for 3 minutes. Let it boil for at least 3 minutes. Okay, this is fine. So now what we'll do, we just have to cover this and just sit aside until it's become lukewarm or like warm. Then before we can put our yogurt. So maybe it's about like 1 to 2 hours that we have to wait. This is already warm. So you can see our milk. So now we can put our yogurt. So I have here 400 grams, but we only need 200 grams of this. So half of this we will use. You just have to mix it here. Okay. So just half only you can put inside. That's perfect. 200 grams. And you just stir this one. Just have to stir. Just keep on stirring. So now this is okay. Then again, we'll just leave it here outside for overnight. So we can check this tomorrow. So now guys, finally, we can check our yogurt. So it was been sitting in my kitchen for overnight. So I'll show you the result. So please join with me. So now, ta-da, ta-da, let's see. See, look at this, guys. This is my homemade yogurt. As you can see, I'll try to scoop it out so you can see. See, as you can see, this is the texture of my homemade yogurt, same as we get from the supermarket. See, this is how it is. So this is very nice. I'm gonna use this for my smoothie or just a lassi drink, Indian drink. This is very perfect. So since it is summer, I can make smoothie out of this homemade yogurt. So this is the, now you know how I made my homemade yogurt. I hope you can try it out and you can see yourself. It is very easy to follow and only need 2 ingredients. So it is advisable if you'll make it at home. Aside from it is a lot more healthier, of course it is also, you can save few bucks if you make it at home. So okay, until to my next one. Happy weekend, everyone!